Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So after covering all the basic financials, fundamentals, understanding the valuations which is from the PE ratio or the your ratios understanding. Okay, let's cover the market capitalization. What is that? So market capitalization is a very simple in terms of the definitions. So market capitalization means the market value of the company through share market. So how do we calculate this market capitalization? This will be your outstanding shares multiplied by your market share, मतलब market share price, right? So let's take an example. If you have a example 1 lakh shares and the current price of that share is at 200. So how will be the market capitalization calculated? This is your 1 lakh shares multiplied by 200 is equal to your 200 crore market capitalization. Okay, so this market capitalization is your market value as per the stock market. Now why we are using this, right? So this we are using just to know exactly how big the company is, how big their business is growing, right? So इसमें क्या होता है आपके पास, there are three categories of market capitalization companies के basis. Large cap companies, mid cap companies and the small cap companies. Now let's cover the large cap companies. What are those? So basically there are some kind of a ranking is given by the SEBI, which is your Security Exchange Board of India, who controls the share market. Okay, so what definition or what kind of a categories they have given is a large cap company. So top 100 companies will be falling in a large cap companies. ठीक है, this will depend on the how much the company is big, right? So अब वो big का definition हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उसको market value से calculate कर रहे हैं, which is your market capitalization. Any company who is having a market value more than 50,000 crore, right? This will be your market large cap companies. ठीक है, the companies who are having so this is like top 100 कंपनीज जिनका भी मार्केट वैल्यू 50,000 करोड़ से ज़्यादा है, वो हमारी लार्ज कैप कंपनीज होंगी. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स कम बैक टू द मिड कैप कंपनीज. सो मिड कैप कंपनीज का क्या होगा सर? अब नाउ 100 कंपनीज हमने दे दी जो बिग कंपनीज थी देश की. नाउ लेट्स कम डाउन. सो 101 कंपनीज, ठीक है, 100 कंपनी निकल गई हैं. 101 companies to the range of the 250 companies in the ranking will come under the mid cap companies. ठीक है, mid cap companies का market value कितना होगा? हमने 50,000 वहाँ तक लिया. So any company which is less than 10,000 crore till 10,000 crore, right? So हम क्या करेंगे, 10,000 crore का ब्रैकेट लेंगे till 50,000 crore the company will fall in a mid cap companies. Clear? Now let's come back to the third category, which is a small cap company. All the remaining companies in the ranking, which is like a 251 company, 250 तक हमने mid cap में डाला था. 251 companies start onwards. Any company whose market value is less than 10,000 crore will fall in a small cap companies. Now, okay, होता क्या है, क्यों हम लार्ज में जाएं, क्यों हम मिड में जाएं, या क्यों, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, राइट? व्हाई आई शुड बॉदर अबाउट देयर मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन? ओके, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस. So if you see any of the big companies or is like a large cap companies, they have a strong stable business model, right? They are big companies, they have already stabilized in the country, right? They have they have very less risk, right? बट क्योंकि वो स्टेबल हो गया है तो ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी इज ऑल्सो वेरी लिमिटेड. But these are not the risky ones because we know that this company is making profit, although not that much is a growth potential because that is already been covered. So we are on a safer, stable investment. If you are looking for, this will come in your large cap companies, large cap stocks. Second, mid cap stocks. ये क्या है? This is the company where we have a growth potential is high with the little the market risk also high, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या है ना, आपको कंपनी को भी ग्रो करना है. So most of the time all the large companies were once a mid stock companies. The moment they have a stabilized their business, they attain that market value, they fall in the large cap companies. So mid-stock companies have a high growth potential and higher risk. Now let's come back to the small cap companies. ठीक है, अब small cap companies में क्या होता है? The company who is having a small businesses, these are the small cap companies, but they have a huge growth opportunities, huge potential. Apart इसके साथ में they also have a higher risk, uncertainty, whether the company will grow, what would be the timeline to grow. So that is like it's a more risky investment in the small cap investments. अब क्या होता है? Every investor has the mix of all these caps, right? Depending upon their requirement. I want to have some stable investment, they will go for the large cap. If they wanted to take some risk, but they also want a higher growth rate of return, they will go to the mid cap stock. If they want lot of return, because the return on the small cap investment is too much high, so they will choose the small cap. So basically on the basis of the requirement, they have a diversified portfolio including large cap stocks, mid cap stock and the small cap stocks. Okay, so these three are covered there. नाउ अगर इफ वील जस्ट टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस कंपनी, होता है ना कई बार आपको माइंड में नहीं आता यार लार्ज कैप में कौन सी कंपनी, क्योंकि वी नो ऑल द कंपनीज राइट इन द मार्केट, नॉट ऑल द कंपनीज, एटलीस्ट वी नो सम ऑफ द कंपनीज. लाइक इफ यू हैव हर्ड टाटा कंसल्टेंसी, रिलायंस इज द बिग बिजनेस जाइंट राइट, एंड आर HDFC बैंक इज नाउ ऑल्सो a large cap companies. So these are the large cap companies. Although 100 companies आप सर्च करोगे आपको मिल जाएगा what are the large cap companies, but I'm just giving you simple 1 or 2 examples to understand in your brain that exactly what all the large cap companies. ठीक है, अब आपका large cap companies. अब आप आते हो mid cap companies में. ठीक है, Voltas, this is a mid cap company. L&T आपका मिड कैप कंपनी हो गया. ठीक है, आप स्मॉल कैप में आते हो. स्मॉल कैप में ट्राइडेंट लिमिटेड कंपनी है, वो भी स्मॉल कैप में आती है. स्मॉल कैप में ऑलमोस्ट सारी कंपनीज आ जाती हैं जिनके नाम आपने बिल्कुल नहीं भी सुने होंगे, बिकॉज दीज आर द स्मॉलर बिजनेसेस बट लिस्टेड ऑन द शेयर मार्केट राइट. मार्केट वैल्यू हम उनका ले रहे हैं. तो ये आपका बात हो गया मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन के बेसिस पे what should we focus, and we should know that what is the market cap stock means. So somebody says that I'm investing in the large caps, small caps, mid caps, you should know. And while investing, you should also know that whether you're investing in a large cap, mid cap or the small cap, and also understanding the risk profile, growth opportunity, everything. So business understanding is also good, but it's not enough that okay, this company is doing this thing, it's enough. No, you also have to think whether how much company is the big, what are their potential growths. So for all these things, market capitalization is one of the key factor. Hope you understand what I just explained you. If you have any of the questions or the doubt, you can just comment me, I will help you. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. I'll be happy to answer your all the queries. Thank you so much.